In this video, we will talk about how to fix Microsoft Visual C++ runtime library error in Windows 11. Method 1. Repair option. Click on Start, open Settings. On the left, select Apps, then Installed Apps. Scroll down. Here, you can see Microsoft Visual C++. Click on three dots. Select Modify. Click on Yes. Select Repair. Follow the same for x86. Click on three dots. Select Modify. Click on Yes. Select Repair. After repairing, check if this helps to fix the issue. Method 2. Uninstall and reinstall. Click on three dots. Select Uninstall. Click on Yes and select Uninstall. Follow the same and uninstall x86. After uninstalling, open any browser. Type Download Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable and press Enter. Make sure you select the same one. Scroll down. Download both x86 and x64. Open it. Accept the license terms and install it on your PC. Hopefully, this will fix your issue. See you in the next video.